Welcome to the best homemade burger you have eaten. Today, we'll be making a delicious homemade burger using a brioche bread recipe. Let's get started with the ingredients and step-by-step instructions. Ingredients: 1 large bun, 2 slices of brioche bread, 1 lb ground beef, a 1/4 cup black pepper, a 1/4 cup cheese, a 1/4 cup lettuce, a 1/4 cup pickles, a 1/4 cup tikki, a 1/4 cup hot sauce, a 1/4 cup onion, a 1/4 cup tomatoes. Instructions. 1. Preheat your grill or stovetop pan to medium heat. 2. In a large bowl, combine the ground beef, black pepper, cheese, lettuce, pickles, and tikki. 3. Mix well to create a smooth and evenly spiced burger mixture. 4. Place the bun on one side of the brioche bread. 5. On the flat side of the bread, spread the ground beef mixture evenly. 6. Top with the second slice of brioche bread, cut side up. 7. Place the bread, meat, and cheese in the preheated grill or stovetop pan for about 4–5 minutes, or until the bread is toasted and the meat is cooked through. 8. Drizzle with hot sauce and onion, and sprinkle with tomatoes on top. 9. Serve and enjoy your delicious homemade burger. Remember, you can customize this burger with your favorite toppings or ingredients. Feel free to experiment and create your own unique flavor combinations. Happy cooking!